Please subscribe for more videos.
Welcome to my carrot garden. I've also got some fruit shapes and wondered if you could help me out. Here's our little bunny helper. First things first, how many carrots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 carrots. Some of them are white and some of them are red. Can you count how many white ones there are? 1, 2, 3, 4 white carrots. How many red carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 red carrots. Here is my fruit. Who knows what fruit we have here then? What's this one? This is a delicious kiwi. It's green. This is a yummy strawberry. It's red. Oh, here we have a tasty apple. It's red as well. Juicy orange. It's orange. Here we have a pear. The pear is green. Oh, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is pink. This is durian. It's green on the outside and yellow on the inside. Let's start with the kiwi. Which hole does the kiwi go in? Is it this one? Is it this one? That's right. Which hole does the orange go in? This one? It's very similar though. The orange goes in this one. What could fit in this one and this one? I have an idea. The apple. Does the apple go here? Yes, that's where the apple went. This one was the durian. It looks like it might fit in this one. Yes, that's perfect. Next we have the strawberry. Does it go there? No, it doesn't go there. Does it go here? Yes, the strawberry fits in this hole. Where shall we put the pear? I think I found it. That's right, this is the pear. Last but not least, we have the dragon fruit. Does it go in that one? No, it doesn't go in that one. How about here? Yes, that's right. Well done, everyone. Fantastic work, said Mr. Bunny. Thank you for sorting the shapes out. Let's see if the bunny can pick up any of the sweet worms. Wow! He's picked up a purple worm. What's next? He's picked up a red worm. What colour is next? It's a green worm. Then we have a yellow worm. And what's at the end? Another green worm.
Please subscribe for more videos.